So let's take a look at how we can create this particular animation. For this animation you need two elements, that is the circle and the text. For the circle you can go ahead and click on stock, type in circle, head over to SVG and select a circle of your choice. I'm choosing this one. You can go ahead and change the property. So let's take a look at this particular circle and I've grouped it. So let's go ahead and open the group. And as you can see, I've given it a nice blue shade. And when you notice carefully, it comes from the right side. And here we have elastic up, which is basically, when you take a look at it, it just scales up a bit. So it doesn't come from the right side. So what I've done is I've grouped the circle. Let's open up the group. So on the circle, I've added the right animation. Here's a preview, so it comes from the left to the right. So that's what it happens right here. And on the group circle, I've added the elastic up, so you get both of the effects of the circle coming in from the left to the right, and it also has that slight bounce effect for the animation. And as for the text, we have it in the same blue shade. You can change all the properties to your liking. And I've added in the up animation, which you can find it under scales. So it basically zooms a bit. So putting it all together, you have this really nice intro animation for your logo. And I've lined both the circle and the text in such a way that when both of the circle and text appears right in the middle of the screen, it appears to be uniform and consistent.